Hello and welcome guys. My name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching TechHega YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to turn your personal Instagram account into a business Instagram account. This is very easy process, so let's jump into the video. For converting a personal Instagram account to professional Instagram account, first you have to open your Instagram application. After opening it, then click on the profile icon on the side. Then click on the three lines on the top right corner. Then click on settings and privacy. Here you have to scroll all the way down and click on account type and tools. Then click on switch to personal account. After enabling professional mode, you will get professional tools, learn more about your followers and reach more people. And you will also get new contact option on your Instagram page. So click on continue. Here you have to choose who are you. I am a designer, so I will select designer. After selecting this, click on display on profile. Then click on done button. After this, you have to choose that if you are a creator or a business. As you know, I am a creator, so I will click on creator and click on next button. Then scroll down and click on OK. Then click on next. Then click on continue. Then click on continue. After this, you can click on the cross button to go back to your account and refresh it. As you can see, you have now professional dashboard option and you have a professional Instagram account. If this video helped you, please check out this Instagram playlist. It will help you a lot. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. This is me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.